Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. 2 days ago on 1st June 2025, PPSC conducted a very important conceptual statistics paper for the post of evaluation officer. Dear students, I want to discuss very important statistics questions with you people. Along with this, I want to give you a news that PPSC is about to announce 18 posts for the Assistant Director Stat Agriculture Department Crop Reporting Service Punjab. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, students from different cities of Pakistan are preparing for that exam from me. You can also join my session. My WhatsApp numbers are given. Just do send me a message and you can be registered in the important written test preparation session. Let's start. Question number 1. When small n is equal to 4, what is the variance of the chi-square? A very common question, very important question. Dear students, please keep in mind variance of chi-square is 2n. That will be 2 multiplied by 4. It means correct answer is 8. And if they ask you what is the mean of the chi-square, that will be small n, that will be 4. Next question is, Jerk-Barrett test is used to detect. Actually, it is used to detect the normality of the error term. Question number 3, which average is used in the nominal scale? Dear students, nominal scale and ordinal scale both are used for the qualitative data. Nominal is used for the categories, male and female. If you have the fruits like apple, mango, banana, watermelon, peach, then you can use nominal scale. It means mode will be the best average for the nominal data. Very important question. Question number 4. Heteroscedasticity occurs when? Dear students, heteroscedasticity occurs when the variance of the error term is not constant for all the levels of the explanatory, for all the levels of the independent variable. Very important question. Next question is, what is endogeneity? Very important concept. Dear students, whenever our independent variable, which is x, is correlated with the error term, then we have endogeneity. And what is the effect? Our estimates are biased and inconsistent. These can be the MCQs in the exam. Next question is, graph of the autocorrelation is called correlogram. Next question is, a distribution in which mode is not calculated and it is uniform distribution for the continuous case. Next question is very important, and I think in the last exam, one of the last exams, it has been asked, and that question is, sum of two exponential is, that is gamma distribution. Next question is, in regression analysis, which should be minimum? Mean square error should be minimum. Next question is, in SPSS, statistical package for social sciences, screen output shows tables, it shows charts, it shows statistical analysis results, a very important one. Next question is, what is homoscedasticity? Dear students, as I told you about hetero, homoscedasticity means whenever the variance of the error term is constant for all the levels of the independent variable, then we have homoscedasticity, and that is the assumption of the OLS. Next is, Park test is used to detect. It is used to detect heteroscedasticity. Next question is, heteroscedasticity detects non-constant variance of the error term. Next question is, what is Gauss-Markov? Dear students, Gauss-Markov theorem states that our OLS estimates are blue. They are best linear unbiased estimates. Best means they have less variation. The variation between predicted and actual value is minimum. Next question is also very important for the paper point of view. Mean deviation is least when taken from what? It is taken from median. the sum of deviation from mean, the sum of square of deviation from mean is minimum, and the sum of absolute deviation from median, it is minimum actually. Next question is, in Pasteur's index number we use quantities. Answer is quantities as weights. Next question is, mutually exclusive events are actually whenever we have nothing common between them. Success and failure, mutually exclusive. Pass and fail, mutually exclusive. Head and tail, mutually exclusive. Probability of A intersection B is 0. Next question is, probability of A is given 0.5, probability of B is given 0.3, probability of A intersection B is 0.1. What is probability of A union B? And we know the formula, probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, and 0.5 plus 0.3 minus 0.1, that will be 0.7. Next question is very important. Geometric distribution is a special case of, it is the special case of negative binomial distribution, and it's also the very important question for the interview. In negative binomial distribution, successes are fixed, trials are not fixed. For example, we need 5 successes, it will be negative binomial, and if we need only 1 success, that will be geometric distribution. Next question is, binomial distribution is a special case of, it is a special case of multinomial distribution, and Bernoulli is a special case of binomial distribution. Next question is, what is standard Cauchy? Standard Cauchy means we have location parameter 0 and scale parameter 1. Cauchy is the ratio of the two standard normal variates. Next question is, if m is equal to n is equal to 1 in beta distribution, then it reduces to uniform distribution with the points with the interval 0 and 1. Next question is very important. Lower bound unbiased variance is obtained from, it is obtained from Cramer-Rao lower bound. Cramer-Rao lower bound gives us the minimum lower bound unbiased variance actually. Next question is, the deviation of sample mean to population parameter is called, it is called standard error, x bar minus mu. Next question is, what is infant mortality rate? It is the mortality rate of the infants, actually the death rate of the infants under 1 year of age per 1000 live births. Very important question. Mean and standard deviation of the standard normal variate.